in our demo, we have taken OpenFlow/SDN concept to the access aggregation side of service provider networks. And the application we have used is MPLS. So currently MPLS is limited to the core of the network. We are using SDN to take MPLS all the way up to the access of the network. And we are using OpenFlow 1.1. We are the first one to use OpenFlow 1.1 to do this. So we have developed a network controller based on Onyx distributed network middleware supplied by Nicira Networks. So the Onyx that Nicira Network gives is OpenFlow 1.0. So we modified it to OpenFlow 1.1, and we have written applications on that, on top of that. So there are two different types of applications. The blue ones, the blue boxes, these applications control the internal switches of the SDN domain. And the orange box, the Ericsson routing stack, is incorporated into the network controller to talk to traditional routers. So what we are showing here is, if you want to move your network to software-defined networks, you don't have to do that all in one go. You can do it step by step. You can start with islands of SDN. For that to happen, you need to support traditional protocols on SDN as well, so that they can talk to existing traditional routers. So that's why we need to incorporate traditional routing protocol stacks that include OSPF, LDP protocols, so that they can talk to traditional routers. So in this demo, we have two SDN islands slash domains talking to the Smart Edge Ericsson traditional router. And for the traditional router, each domain looks like a router in itself. It doesn't know that it uses OpenFlow because of the Ericsson routing stack. So this guy understands OSPF LDP, and this guy understands the same language. So this guy really doesn't need to know whether it's OpenFlow or traditional router or whatever.
So these, I mean, the routers see their peers through the normal router peering mechanism, and the underlying topology can be changed, and they just know whether they have connectivity or not.
Exactly.
Perfect. And so there's a little glimpse of what the demo looks like. Awesome. Gotta try and get around that sunlight. And that's actually blinking a little bit on my camera because it's a bigger monitor. But okay, great. Thank you for showing me the demo.